Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this wet effect glasses on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to get this one and I'm just going to rotate it like this way a little bit, like the Z axis. Okay, maybe not that much, maybe 0.58, and then on the second toggle, color it white. And you're going to go to material and you're going to select glitter for that like wet effect. I think you can do it with a lot of glasses and not just this one. Let's try like this one. Obviously I can't change the toggle, like the adjustments, but I can still add glitter to it so it looks like it's like wet or like I guess broken. Here, let me try with this one. We're going to rotate it just a little bit, and then we're going to add that like glitter effect to that. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can create like wet glasses on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.